Hi everyone, hope you're all well and safe. Earlier I made chickpeas burgers, and that was something that I've been thinking of doing for a while. So it turned out to be quite good. Luckily I did do a video for that. So why chickpeas? That's because we are vegetarian, and everything we go and grab at the supermarket has got egg in it, and also because it's quite rich in protein. So I thought if I do something new with it, it might make it a bit more appealing to eat. So I'm just going to talk you through the recipe. So here I am in the kitchen. For this recipe you'll need a can of chickpeas, garlic, chopped or grated, chopped coriander, some cumin seeds, chopped onions, and salt, and spicy paprika if you have it. If not, you could use chili. So in a pan, heat some oil, fry put the onion in to fry. When it's nearly fried, we'll add the garlic to it. You can't add the garlic from the start. So now in a mixer bowl we'll put the can of chickpeas, the cumin seed, coriander, paprika, and salt. We're going to also add the fried onion and garlic, and we'll blend it all together. Yeah, as you can see, I did make it too smooth. Now we're going to make a round disc that you can see on the screen. I think I'll get 4 out of this lot. Let's make it in the shape of burgers. Make it round, then flatten it. Now we're going to sprinkle some dry flour so we can roll the burger in them. We're going to make a coating over the burger. Yeah, all 4 of them. We're putting it all in a plate so we can freeze this for about for 30 to 60 minutes. After that, we'll fry. So we have to wait for 30 minutes at least before we bring it out of the freezer and fry it in a bit of oil. Just a little bit of oil, not too much. You could also grill this burgers. So you just fry it for a few minutes on one side, then you turn it round on the other side. You have to remember the onion is fried, and so is the peas. They are processed. There you go. Now put it in a burger bun with some salad, and really sauce. You can use sauce of your choice. So just put it all together with a bit of cheese on top, like I like it. And there, your chickpeas burger is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.